What's up, guys? Welcome on YouTube. Welcome back to another episode. Alright?
So this is our official site tour, right? We're not done yet, but we want to show you what we're looking like thus far.
Yeah, man. Guys, we've been through a lot to get to this stage that we are right now, right? You who have been with us along our journey would have seen us going through all the stages from getting our plan approved.
Yes.
Right?
You remember that video there?
Yeah, man. Submitting the plan, getting it approved, till cast. Basically, we dig the foundation, groundbreaking.
Yeah.
Cast foundation, all of that. You see all of them stages, guys. You see how they're blocking up. Yeah.
You see when the roof was being done.
Yeah, man. Everything, and we going to some price comparisons. We're going to some details, some step-by-step things, along the journey. So
we've been sharing our experience.
Yeah, man. So this is where we are right now. I mean, a lot of literal blood, sweat, you see me I say, and tears as well going at this thing. It's not easy.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's not cheap.
Oh my God. Like it's stressful. It's stressful. Borderline almost created tearing your ear out. And as Adrian said, it's not stressful. And I think one of the...
It's not stressful?
As Adrian said, it is stressful.
Opposite of not stressful. It definitely is stressful.
It's stressful.
Yeah,
I mean, you have two levels of stressors. You have to ensure that you can manage human resource properly. Mm-hmm. And that can be, sometimes out of our
control.
Norm.
Yeah.
Yes, that we would normally encounter. And then the biggest stressor is finances.
Trust me.
And we've been going through it.
Yeah.
And even at this point, we are still going through it. We are struggling through it. Struggling through it.
Literally.
Yeah.
This venture is very expensive, and the very is like an understatement. I mean, as a lot of you might become aware, material price is just skyrocketing. I mean, it's just going up daily. So even if you cannot do a budget, say from maybe we actually started in January, but this whole plan of ours was in the pipeline for way before.
Yeah.
So even if you say you're doing a budget, right? And it would be a tight budget if you are
if you're not financially affluent.
Right, it'll be a tight budget.
Yes.
So
when it's squeezed tight, we started squeezing really tight, and really refining what we spend our money on. As you can see, we're not going nowhere, we don't do nothing. Where we go? We're just there, so we do not.
At the construction site, that's all we do. We now, literally, even the food bill. When we cut back, mind you, as we talk about food bill in a baby, say, guys, we've been cutting back, but the cutback, we are cut back, the food bill remain the same or even higher.
Because we are cutting back on the stuff that we're buying, but the prices keep increasing.
Exactly. Without further ado, guys, we're gonna show you around this construction site. So the mason work basically completed, right? Currently we are doing the ceiling work, right? We're gonna put up a tray ceiling, so we're gonna see that progress as well, that process as well. You know what I mean? So just behind us is the framing for the ceiling, the tray ceiling,
Love us, baby.
Yeah. So,
alright, so
here we go. We're gonna show you the site. All right. Here we go. Yes, so this is the entrance to our Airbnb apartment, or new Airbnb apartment, alright? Our upcoming Airbnb apartment, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so
come on in.
Yes.
Come on into my crib, alright?
Alright.
So when you enter,
yes,
we have our patio.
Yes.
And it's a pretty good size patio. Alright? It's a pretty good size patio. Right here. Alright? And then we enter through the main door. So when you enter, this should be our living room, and over here will be our entertainment. Okay. Entertainment over here. Alright. Guys, this video is brought to you by FLEXIMOUNTS. Link will be in the description box. FLEXIMOUNTS sent us this garage storage. We mounted it to the walls and look what has happened. So this is going to be the washroom for both of our Airbnbs. So we will use this area to wash all the linen, store all our cleaning supplies, store all of what we need, our linens and everything in here. So you can imagine the space that we need in this small room. FLEXIMOUNTS sending us this particular garage storage mount has given us the opportunity to store away all of our bulk stuff, up the stuff, out of the way. Yeah, down here is clear. So this shelving can actually be extended. It came with twice the number of shelves. So if you wanted it to be bigger for a larger area, you could have extended it with the pack or the set that we got. It's the 4x8, right, Adrian?
Yeah.
4x8 that we got. So it not only is it expandable to the side or to the back, but you can also adjust the height. Down. So you can carry it down, yes, or up if you wanted. Yes. It comes with additional extension metal that you can carry down if you want, adjust the height, yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah, so if you have taller ceilings,
yep,
perfect. You know, you can put that and you extend it to whatever height you want, as Cass said.
Exactly.
So the FLEXIMOUNTS storage racks, link will be in the description box. Alright? Check it out, guys. It's an awesome buy.
Yes. So we're going to have tray ceilings, and we're going to have recessed lightings, and we're going to have additional lighting just to ensure that whatever purpose you want to use the room for, you can have adequate lighting for that. Yeah, but we also want a decorative touch. We want it to be, you know, look very nice and relaxing. As you can see, we're at the stage now where the metal beams, that you call them, somewhere?
Yeah, you want that, trucks and studs.
Trucks and studs, baby, are up in the ceiling. This area, you might notice that we didn't have this little beam right here that was cast. Yeah. It is like a supported beam, but it wasn't finished. I don't know the correct term for that.
Yeah, it never rendered. Yeah.
Never rendered because it will be covered. So, and if you notice our ceiling as well, we didn't render the ceiling because it's going to be covered. So now we have basically the framework set out. We're going to have the living room area having its own little feature lighting in it, and then we're going to have another emphasis being placed right here. And this is where the counter, the breakfast counter is going to be. So I think the emphasis will be right here.
Yeah, this is what they call a light box. So one place a picture on the screen, they can have an idea. So a light box will be just over the breakfast table. So when you're sitting right here, you know, having your meal, you know, the light box will be over your head, you know. And also, when you enter, this is the entrance, alright? And you will immediately see the light box in front of you. Quite nice.
Yeah.
You know, quite nice indeed. So, yeah, guys, important to note, the beam of, what does it know? The tray ceiling design that we came up with, a lot of it have to do also with the fact that we have the beam right here, right? So we basically the one decorate the ceiling and hide that beam in the also. So when it finish, you're gonna have the drop down area coming down and basically hide the beam will go around, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, man. So this our sheet rock. These will be hung in the ceiling.
Yes, these are going in the ceiling. Very delicate.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the window, and we're gonna have the sink placed right here, so we can have a view of what's happening outside. Right here is gonna be the stove. Of course, we're gonna have countertops on either side, and we're gonna have our fridge here. So this is our makeshift cooking cooking area in this kitchen.
Yeah, man.
So you would have seen in our previous videos that Adrian was here jerking chicken in his kitchen.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what facilitated that, right?
Yeah, man.
And then we have our floors. So our floors are cast. Thank God. Like y'all been hearing me say I can't wait for the floors to be done because that place that was just
True.
you know?
Yeah.
The floors being done just add this touch. It's like, oh my God. You know? Yeah, it adds a oh my God feeling to the place.
Yeah, make it feel like say, you know, progress.
Or electrical work is, well, basically halfway there.
Yeah.
So you see all our outlets are here. We have 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 3 gangs. So we've gotten our light switches already. We've already gotten our, we call them already clear.
Those are sockets, yes.
Electrical sockets.
Yeah.
I'm lost for words.
Yeah.
When we
So the breaker box is our breaker. Breaker box. Piping going, all of that already in the mason work. So the pipes run all around and so on. We buy it close to, let me show you. Like these are electrical pipes. So these are bigger ones for the main, but the smaller ones look almost like water pipe, like regular water pipe.
Yeah, all like that one beside it.
And nearly 200 length of them we have to buy to do everything. So far, around probably around 200 length.
And piping expensive. So if you think of these things, when you're buying 1 length, it's alright. Or when you're buying 40, 50, 60 length, then it
by the way,
becomes...
see the breaker cover here? Yeah. See there? Dusty, but see there? You know? Yeah. Alright.
Nothing, we got no light. That means darkness.
So our floors, we're planning to put porcelain tiles in.
Yeah.
Alright, so
we wanted to have something durable. Because I don't like when we have the ceramic tiles in and then worse off in the kitchen.
Scrape up and chip up.
When things are dropped from me and then stuff, the kitchen floor just looks so tacky after a little while.
Yeah.
And then if you change one of the tiles, you change the whole tiles.
So, Cass mentioned this being the entertainment wall, right? You have the TV plug up here, so, right? You have another socket down bottom. And you have the cable. Socket for the cable, because another thing we wanted to achieve is a more clean, more like a luxurious kind of finish. So we don't want no wires, we don't want a wire run around the place, we don't want an extension cord, we don't want none of that. So we
try to put them at, you know?
We put all the plugs them all around, so you don't have no need for stretch no cord, no extension cord, you don't have no need for wire and cable, right? Everything is there. Yeah. You understand? So, as Cass said, we have all our plugs and switches, everything. So, you guys in the future will see more as time go by. All right?
And it's so magnificent because we've been able to basically build this structure that is bigger than the one that we bought. Yeah. You know, and I'm very proud of the space that we made.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, man. So now we're gonna show you the bedrooms, alright?
Yes.
And the bedroom, bathroom, and so on. So come on, guys. Come on. So this passage leads to the secondary bedroom and the main bathroom. All right?
So this bathroom is shared with the living room.
Yeah. We will put in a closet right here. So I have a roll, I'm a pan and everything because I do some priming, you know. Yeah. So a closet will be right here where we'll put in like mop and broom and them stuff. Yeah. This is where that will be. Right? The bathroom is this way. Of course, you have a bathroom switch right there, so. You know? You have a bathroom switch right here, so. And yeah, vanity. Vanity, toilet, shower. Yeah. You know? We're gonna have a rainfall shower, so it will be all the way up and coming over. Alright, and we'll have with sockets. You know? Guys, what is really important to note is how well finished this place is. The mason did an excellent job, Everton.
Big up
Everton. Yeah, man, big up Everton.
As Corey calls.
Yeah. So the wall them straight, the rendering is impeccable.
Yeah.
Impeccable. Like, I mean, the other day, and I'm bridging them and do construction work in common. He's wowed by the quality of work where I see. He might come in the flooring, he might come in the walls, inside, outside. He's wowed. So we'll definitely recommend Everton.
So this is the secondary bedroom.
Yeah. Immediately you will notice this.
Yeah.
Alright, so this wall was like the exterior wall for the second bedroom, for the original unit. Alright, so it was finished with Chobelan. So you see the old Chobelan here and stuff. So we have to peel off that and plaster it. So we got a guy to come in to basically plaster this thing. Alright, so to make it flush and looking nice.
Yeah.
Alright, again we have convenient plugs all around.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah man, we light switch. You know what I mean? Oh, and also up top. Right? This is the ceiling. Right? We're gonna do what they call a knockdown finish. So we're gonna do a knockdown finish with the ceiling. Right? And we're gonna have possibly hanging maybe. You know, we put in the groundwork where we can possibly put a ceiling fan or whatever.
Yeah.
Right? If we want eventually.
Because I've always heard Adrian talking about how you want his wall to feel when it's finished. He doesn't want a rough feel, he wants a nice smooth feel, and that's what we're going for with the plaster on the wall. So this is the coating, this coating with this, and then afterwards I'm going to sand it up like that.
Yeah. Closet right here, of course. There is a closet right there, so.
But this is not just the closet, you know, it's actually have some depth.
Yeah, it does.
It has some width to it, so this is going to be a good size closet. Like you can literally come and if you're organized or organizers, your outfits for the day, you can do that.
Yes.
So,
What?
There's a crooked lizard up there.
What crooked lizard?
Oh, it won't talk.
I got a crooked lizard. You're afraid of it, you know? Alright, go on. Guys, that's what we're afraid of lizard too? Oh my God. Construction site at that one.
The roof right here and right there.
Yeah, the ceiling. Yeah, so the ceiling also have it. So what we're going to do is a knockdown finish with the ceilings. Right, we're going to do a knockdown finish with the ceiling. So we're going to show them how that will look when it's finished, you know? Yeah. So coming back from the secondary bedroom, right? Again, this is the living area right here.
Yeah, and then
right?
you enter this passage right here.
Yeah.
And then you have immediately to the left the entrance for the primary bedroom.
Yeah.
So the primary bedroom is bigger than the secondary bedroom.
Yeah.
So we have a nice space in here and no desert.
Yeah. The masonmen, they still have some stuff around, right?
So we got stuff stored up.
Yeah, we have stuff we're going at the space, so we're not going to see what with this, you know, in due time. You know, so this is the secondary bedroom, slightly bigger than the first, right? A closet will be constructed over there. Every time I come and put in a closet. No, because the TV, we already put the TV plug up there, so I have to put it on the side here. So the closet will be right over here.
If someone did come with this?
You might fix it. Yeah, so the closet will be over there.
Instead of little nastiness, them there, look there, doo-doo on the wall, doo-doo on the wall.
What, the lizard?
Doo-doo, yes,
Lizard doo-doo.
on the wall.
Lizard doo-doo.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
So this is the secondary bedroom, and again we'll plaster it because we're gonna do the knockdown. Yeah. At the plaster man, so we're gonna knock it down. So yeah. We have the socket, we have a plug, the switches. We have the switches for the room.
Yeah, right.
You know, right there, convenient. So one for the bedroom, one for the bathroom.
One gonna be for the fun.
Something like that.
I don't know, but it will work out. Yeah.
Alright, so this is the ensuite bathroom. So as I said, this is the primary bedroom, guys, and it have its own ensuite bathroom. Right, so whoever will come and stay, They're gonna have a very nice time staying here, definitely, you know. Very comfortable, very, you know, elegant. This will be definitely a very elegant space, you know, if we do say so ourselves.
Rainfall shower again.
Yeah, rainfall shower. I'm going to the place.
Right here.
Right, toilet will be right there. The vanity over here.
And the breeze has good through that window here, man.
Yeah, man. Breeze flow nice through that place here, definitely.
Yeah, it does. It does. Like, it's really true, you know.
Yeah, man.
Like, we're not hot and, you know.
Yeah.
So I like the way how the breeze can really flow through. So, you ready?
Yeah,
Let's go.
Yeah.
So when we exit the primary bedroom, we're actually looking at another passageway, and this passageway leads to the left outside, and straight ahead is leading to the wash area.
Yep.
So Adrian, take over.
Yes. This is the wash area. We already prime it out because we want to install this. Right? This is our roof rack, roof storage mount.
Yeah. We have our space that we can use for everything else that we need. Because we have all the storage up there, so our washing machine going to be here. We have our light switch, we have our tub. This is our makeshift tub. We're going to have another tub here.
Yes, the door will be put here.
Yes.
So this door there?
We're going to reuse this door. This was our outside door or our exit door for the back. We're going to reuse it because ain't nobody got no money to be throwing away doors around here, okay? We're reusing our doors. So when we exit our washroom, we can actually head right here. This patio space is really big. So you can sit down, chill out, chillax around here, lounge out, you understand? And enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the breeze, because we're going to have enough breeze soon. Alright, and then we have our outside space, which is going to be, we do have an idea of what we want to do out here, but you know, wait and see. I'm going to surprise y'all, alright?
Yeah.
Y'all will be surprised. Watch the steel, this is still a construction site. Right? So we kind of have the outside of our building, and we still have a lot of our construction stuff here.
The guys where we rent the board from, them for come pick those up. They should come pick those up soon.
And we have steel right here.
We have a little bit of steel left.
And we have steel in the drum right there.
But not much, because one thing with our workman, Everton, I'm very accurate with him calculations. Right, because one thing when he's tried on is to ensure that you have a lot of leftover material at the end. You know, I'm very, very accurate with the amount of steel them to left buy and so on. Because material is expensive and you don't want to have no whole heap of leftovers.
We have our gate right here.
Yeah.
So we have a pretty good outside space as well that we can, you know, do all that stuff with. So yeah, I think we're going to put a line right here.
Yeah, we're going to replace the line from around here. Yeah.
Something like that.
A lot of plumbing work was done to get this thing, the plumbing intact. It took a lot. So plumbing come all the way around the building, drain pipe, manhole.
Yeah.
So see the manhole them here, right? We got a couple of them going around. So see the manhole them here, and the drain pipes are below. All right. This is basically to enter into the washroom. So when we have any cleaning to do for whichever apartment, we don't have to be interacting with the guests, right? We don't have to come into their space. So we just enter into the washroom right here, and we have the washing machine and everything, you know.
Okay, so we have a less space on this side.
Yeah.
We have a good walking room, good wiggle room on this side though. So we're gonna definitely have to do some landscaping.
Yep. Yeah, so we basically get a 360 tour of this thing. Alright. And yeah. Alright. Breeze really windy day, you know?
Always.
Windy. That's one benefit of, you know, Portmore, you know? Even though the place hot, we get good breeze.
Yeah.
You know?
And that's one of the benefits of having higher ceilings. So you can get better ventilation. Okay guys, so that's it for our site tour. Let us know in the comment section what do you think. You know, we always like to hear from you. Turn on your post notification bell, the one with the dancing icon beside it. Give us a thumbs up for this video. And
we out.
we out.
Out.